Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see Reels history on Facebook, right? If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go to your settings right here at the top right. Tap on three horizontal lines and tap on the gear icon or tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Okay. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the section, your activity. Okay. Now here, just tap on activity log, like so. Now go ahead and tap on activity history. And then here, just tap on filters. Okay. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on categories. Now in here, you have your Facebook activity. So just tap on it, tap on posts, and tap on videos you've watched. Okay. Also live videos you've watched. So just tap on it. And then here you will be able to see the videos you've watched as well. These ones right here are actually Reels, okay? Or you could go ahead and open up a Reel. Now tap on the person icon right here at the top right and just tap on Watched Reels, okay? And you'll be able to see all the videos right here. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.